Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's video, we'll be learning how to organize our fridge to keep it cleaner, to help us find items easily, and most importantly, to save valuable time and put an end to food wastage. It will also keep your kids from constantly bugging you with questions like, Umu, where's the butter? Umu, where are the grapes? Where's the carrots? So this project can be daunting. It can be really daunting, as in it can seem difficult because you have to bring out everything from the fridge, you have to clean the fridge, and you have to put it back. But I can tell you that once you've done it, you won't be able to go back to the way it used to be, where you just throw everything into the fridge. And like I told you, like I mentioned earlier, the major key is against food wastage. We all know that there are so many hungry people, hungry kids around the world, and even in Islam, Allah hates the wasters. So the major thing that you should use to motivate yourself is that I want to put an end to food wastage in my house, and this project is going to help me, so that will motivate you to go ahead with the project. Now I've completely emptied out the fridge, and fun fact, I emptied it completely within 5 minutes. And it's so funny that sometimes we see some things as so difficult or so overwhelming, but when you actually time yourself and see exactly how much time goes into it, it's like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So that's another way to motivate yourself. If there's anything that you find really difficult and you don't like to do, just set a timer and do that thing. When you discover that, oh, I don't like to do this, but it's only going to take me 5 minutes, it's only going to take me 10 minutes, then you'll be motivated to do it. So I emptied it out completely in 5 minutes. If I can, then surely you can too. So this is what the fridge looks like now. It's quite dirty. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's really dirty. So the next step now is to clean it out. The materials needed to clean out the fridge will be a kitchen towel, kitchen tissue roll, and a homemade all-purpose cleaner. These are all the food items that I've brought out of the fridge. It's amazing how much can fit into our fridge. Really amazing. I can't believe all this came out from my fridge. This is my fridge after taking out everything and cleaning it and labeling it. I'm going to insert a video on how to label your fridge using a correction pen. So now I've labeled it all, and I'm going to place the items back into the fridge. So I'm going to label the fridge with a correction pen. So this is for leftovers, and the second shelf. Second shelf. Now I've put everything back in the homes that I created for them in the fridge. We have the leftovers, the fruits and veggies, the extra veggies, the bread, and the extra shelf for more veggies to refill the ones up, and we have the one for drinks and for milk, curry cheese, soya sauce, mayonnaise, and for butter, peanut butter, and all that. So this way, when the kids pick up any item or you take anything out of the fridge, they know where to place it back in. So I hope that this video has motivated you to tackle your fridge and make it a place that is accessible and easy for you and your family to use. Thank you.